Akselos offers a comprehensive site-wide overview of the structural performance of every critical piece of equipment across the refinery. By switching to the map view, you can hover over each unit to instantly see key SPM indicators. Let's click on the SMR dashboard to explore it further. On the equipment overview page, we can see KPIs for each part of the SMR. Let's explore the pigtail dashboard. On the home page, we can view the maximum temperature and pressure values, along with a heat map highlighting creep damage. The color gradients indicate the level of damage, allowing for a quick assessment of the equipment's condition. Now let's move to the monitor page. On this page we have a 3D viewer that shows the creep damage field. By navigating in the 3D model, the highest creep damage location can be identified easily. The highest stress and creep values can be tracked and ranked. As well as predictions are shown to ensure uninterrupted operation until the next turnaround. Let's move on to the inspection tab. Further review of the creep damage can be done to know when and where to inspect during the next turnaround. Now let's move back to the equipment page and let's have a look at the catalyst tubes dashboard. On the home page we can see the key information about the structural health of the tubes. The orientation map shows operating status and maximum creep damage. On the monitoring page we can see the up-to-date inner and outer wall temperatures along the tube. The orientation map displays the accumulated creep damage alongside near real-time maximum stress values, providing a clear view of critical areas at a glance. On the inspection page we can review the creep and stress status of each tubes in each rows. The accumulated creep damage chart presents the historical damage progression for each tube and ranks them based on their damage levels. This helps prioritize inspections and optimize maintenance planning. Similar visualizations are available on the Stress tab. Users can assess the stress history FO the tubes individually by selecting specific rows and navigating between them. Akselos SPM boosts refinery cash flow without capital spend. It enables asset life extension, reduced downtime, and virtual inspections, while supporting safe throughput increases for higher profitability. Akselos empowers refiners to operate safely at peak efficiency for the longest time possible. There's much more to explore, but we hope this gives you a glimpse of the value Akselos can bring.